Everyone, how are you all? Today we are going to learn the grammar and the topic is prepositions. Okay. So circle the correct answer. First of all, what are these? She is behind her mother. He is in front of his mother. And look at this ball. This cat is under the table. These books are on the table. And this frame is on the wall. Okay. So we are going to circle the correct answer. Where is the puppy? On the table, in the table, or under the table? The puppy is under the table. So we will circle under. Okay. Where is the book? On the bag, in the bag, or under the bag? The books are in the bag. Okay. Where is the girl? Under the tree, in the tree, or behind the tree? The girl is behind the tree. Okay, so we will circle this. So these are the prepositions. Please like and subscribe my channel. Take care and Allah Hafiz. Keep watching. Goodbye.